morning to all of you. I am Muskan, student of JNM 3rd year. Today I am re-demonstrating the normal vaginal delivery trolley. First of all, definition. Normal vaginal delivery trolley helps in conducting and managing the normal vaginal delivery, which involves the hand maneuver to assist the baby's birth and immediate newborn care and delivery of the placenta. After that purpose is to have the childbirth in safe and prepared environment, to assist the mother to go through the process without any undue stress, injury and complication, to avoid the complications, and to promote the smooth and safe transition of newborn into the extrauterine environment, and to conduct the normal vaginal delivery with least complication and trauma. After that, preparation of articles. The normal vaginal delivery trolley have two sides. One is sterile and another one is clean. First of all, shoe cover. To wear the shoe cover to prevent any dirt and make a sterile field. Apron to prevent ourselves from any spillage. A pair of gloves to prevent from cross infection, and cotton ball which are dipped in betadine to give the perineal care. Nasogastric tube feeding which helps in emptying the bladder before the delivery. A sponge holder to hold the cotton balls and gauze pieces during the procedure. Cocker for artificial rupture of the membrane. 2% lignocaine to anesthetize the site if we are giving the episiotomy. This is episiotomy scissor to give the incision, and there are two arteries to clamp the umbilical cord of the newborn, one from the mother side and another one from the fetus side. Cord clamp to cord the clamp of the newborn, and scissor to cord the this is cord clamp to clamping the cord. A scissor to cut the cord. There are two pre-warm sterile sheets to receive the baby. After that, we remove the callus pad and spread the Macintosh. There is another tray which containing. There is another tray. This is suturing tray which containing following article. Speculum helps in easily visualization of the cervix. This is needle holder to hold the needle
during the time of suturing.
There are two forceps. This one is tooth forceps and a thumb forceps to hold the thread and also hold the skin.
And also hold the needle at the time of suturing.
Suture. This is catgut number 1. This is absorbable suture. It helps in stitching the incisional site. 2% lignocaine. If there is any need of the anesthesia during the suturing.
This is the sterile perineal pad. It is used after suturing of the episiotomy.
This is a bowl containing gauze pieces which helps in mopping during the suturing. A cotton pad which is given to the mother after the delivery to prevent her any soiling. And this is a cotton pad which helps in giving the perineal support to the mother
in second stage of labor. This is another tray which contains some equipments and some drugs which are essential for the during the time of labor.
This is another tray which containing some equipment and medication. First of all, stethoscope and a sphygmomanometer to monitor the mother before, during and after the delivery. This is Doppler to know the fetal heart sound, and ultrasound jelly to enhance the easy listening of the fetal heart sound. Betadine to give the perineal care or to clean the site. After that, this is emergency medication tray. Dexamethasone, which is corticosteroid, it is given in case of premature labor to which help in maturing the lungs of the newborn. Labetalol, which is antihypertensive, which is given in case of if mother have hypertension. This is tranexamic acid, which is given to prevent the which helps in coagulation and also prevent the postpartum hemorrhage. This is oxytocin 10 unit, which is given in uterine contraction. Oxytocin, which helps in contraction of the uterus, to induce the contraction of the uterus.
And help. एक मिनट काटो. Oxytocin, it is the medicine which are used to induction of the labor, and it is also used when shoulder is born. It will help in prevention of the PPH. It can be given in case of emergency if there will be a decrease the cardiac output or decrease the heart rate. At that time we can give this adrenaline injection to the mother. This is the tablet misoprostol. It can be given orally and can be given by per rectum. It will help in prevention of the postpartum hemorrhage after delivery.
This is 5 ml syringe to give the medication, and there are 2 vials to collect the blood sample of the newborn baby, and intravenous set to give the infusion to the mother, and there are 2 fluid which are given to the mother to prevent the mother from any hypovolemic shock. Thank you. This is all about the normal vaginal delivery trolley.